Alright, here we are at a park. Devastation from the hurricane. Wow. Look at these fucking trees. Take a walk around. This is insane. Look at that root. Oh my god! Oh my god! Are you okay?
I don't even know how this happened.
How did you get stuck under this tree?
I don't know.
Oh my god. What should I do?
Move the tree.
Oh my god. Alright, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Let me put it down right here. We should film this. We're making TV history right now. Alright, push. Alright, hold on.
I think it's a branch in my ass.
Hold on.
Stop it.
Alright. I'm gonna go get Lipa.
Please tell John Benedetto I said hello. Fuck you, Hurricane Sandy. Oh God! Why?